1 month, lot of money. I mean, a lot of money. Like, bro,
We don't have that kind of money.
like lakhs, I would say. Lakhs of money.
Lakhs and lakhs.
Lakhs and a lot of them.
A lot of effort, a lot of running around later. We're back. The boys are back. The boys are more.
But we've come back sanskari, bro. All of us.
Bhai, occasion hai. It's an occasion, bro. New studio. Like, look at this. Look around you, bro.
It's beautiful. I have to commend everyone, dude. This place looks amazing.
It does, right?
It does.
I feel like I'm like Joe Rogan, bro.
That fucking curtain.
It's very
Sure,
Joe
our
Rogan-y
buddy.
over.
Yeah.
Bhai, so his is burgundy, and I said our color is like pinkish purple. So I thought, but thoda वैसा ही आ गया. But it's fine.
I like it. I think it suits the brand perfectly.
Yeah, bro. Like this took a lot, and 1 month of not doing it, like I realized I was like, bro, like. Because the whole year, there was always an episode, like you're always recording, always putting something out, and suddenly you're not doing it for a month. I felt like a crackhead, bro. Like, I'd wake up shake. Bro, I started getting rashes and all. Now, I don't know if I have some disease.
Probably
That's
the
more
disease,
likely,
bro.
but I think it's because I stopped podcasting.
That gave a
कहाँ है
rash.
rash किधर
I
है?
get a rash every day, bro, like somewhere on my arm, like...
Bro, one day he came out fully red. Like his whole torso and his back and all was just red. And then I told him, I was like, we'll take it to the doctor if needed. It may be hot. He's like, no, bro, it's just...
Now I feel good.
You'll have to wait for till tomorrow to know if it's actually...
Like past 2 days
because
I haven't because
Okay.
I knew we were recording. So, yeah, bro, but like we're finally back.
We're back.
We're going to be doing this now properly again every week. Expect whatever. We'll speak about how we did, like in the last month, हमने क्या क्या किया है, what's going on,
बहुत
about
कुछ
the
हुआ
new
है,
house we moved in together. There's a lot to say.
Krishna's EP has been out.
Krishna is an artist now.
Fucking superstar.
We have a rapper with us now.
Yeah, bro, we all left home. We're here now. It's crazy. We'll talk about it. We'll talk more in depth about it on the members.
Members.
Go for it, Krishna. Go for
Bro,
it.
we spent too much. I had to do the members plug in the first 2 minutes.
Can you just remind me
Bro.
and everyone here?
Do you guys
what
remember
get?
what the members get?
Absolutely.
They've gotten a lot more
Just remind us, bro. Remind me.
than just the perks lately.
See, members are really special to us. I think that's clear,
to,
right?
to one of us.
We'll
Everyone.
reveal
One
all of this on the
was
members.
too special. They just happened to be very special.
All this will be revealed on the members episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
That's a
members,
good
we'll tell you what's up. But everyone else who isn't a fucking member right now,
Yeah.
4 new episodes
4.
Every month.
every month.
And what are those episodes like?
Bro, it's the nastiest shit
The
Krishna's
nastiest
ever
What?
done. Just Krishna.
Why
we're
adding me
Craziest
under the
shit we've
bus?
all done. Like, हमारा सबसे unfiltered content goes
Yeah,
there.
it goes
Yeah.
there.
It
कुछ भी
goes
होता
there
है और
first.
उसमें एक हमारा रूल है कि we don't cut anything. So
No cuts and no beeps.
Yeah.
So,
No beeps also.
yeah. Queries
One
बढ़
girl
गई.
sent me, dude.
what?
क्या?
Nudes.
Her, yeah.
Whoa!
Why do you not tell us all of
I
this?
did tell you.
Like fake account or real account?
proper account.
And
What was it
I
like?
told you. It was her dress.
Oh, Anish is here, bro.
speaking of strike one.
Arey yaar.
Yeah.
Anish is here. Our other 2 editors also. I just said, bro, move in. I said it's easier to tell you what to do.
And
if
do you think it's
if
been
I'm
easier?
not texting them.
Do you think it's been easier?
Yeah. I mean, luckily they turned out to be decent people.
So far.
One of them
Yeah.
for sure.
One of them is
You
very
won't know
nice.
who he's talking You'll never know which is which.
One of them is very nice. The other one is debatable.
No, I love
But
both
I
of
think
them,
everyone has their one which is very nice and the other one is debatable.
It's the same one.
No, I have a favorite. I have a favorite, bro.
Oh, you have a
I won't
favorite?
reveal it. I won't
God
reveal
damn, bro. That's not fair.
it. नहीं. क्यों करूँ मैं reveal? बैठे हैं यहाँ पे दोनों.
Yeah. We'll remove them.
bro. They're both sweet, man.
Yeah. Zaid is also here in this house.
Zed is here.
Zed is upstairs probably picking up some package. Again.
Yeah, वो दिखता नहीं है ज़्यादा. I
Yeah.
feel like it's fine. I mean, he does his own thing. कभी-कभी आ जाता. Sometimes he's damn chatty.
Sometimes he's fucking in the
When he
living
needs
room
to
for hours.
replenish his social quota, he'll
हाँ.
fucking just
He
come
comes,
out
he
of his
talks to
room.
us for a bit. ऐसा मस्त. And then he goes. And yeah, bro, we're doing this I've kind of forgotten what it's like to
Talk.
podcast.
What
किसी
to-
को ऐसा लगा है क्या एक जिंदगी का हिस्सा थोड़ा ऐसा has been like removed
Of course,
we
bro.
weren't
We
doing
weren't
this?
podding.
Yeah, when we were recording.
That's what we call it out now.
जिंदगी का हिस्सा.
Just one section of your life has
Yeah,
just
quite a
bro,
lot.
Validation बंद हो गया, bro. Like I was like, fuck.
Why are people not saying hi to me?
People don't care about me anymore. It's like before though you were like, oh, when's the next episode? Now though they just
Now they just
Give
say
up,
just
bro.
like your story or something stupid.
हाँ bro, I just started post. I was at a place where like कुछ post नहीं किया. I started doing like trick shots.
Yeah, I saw that. How long did that
Dude,
take?
trick shots are damn fun, bro.
Yeah, they are.
अरे bro मेरे को कुछ डालना था और घर पे after a point like we do a lot of work but then after a point there was nothing to do.
Mm.
So like because like you had to wait for someone to come or something to happen. So I was just like let's do this. We've started playing TT.
Nice. We should play now. You all sucked first.
No bro.
Oh.
Now we're
Whoa. Watch where that's coming from.
Where do you
Yagan.
we're all seasoned TT players, bro.
Yeah.
After 3 days of
That
Like
season
Chinese-
is monsoon, bro.
Chinese
Everyone
level,
shit.
bro. Chinese level. Like,
Chinese.
Everyone's got that
You all
pen
do
hold.
the-
Everyone's got the
you
pen
holds it
hold.
like this with the
Why?
pen hold.
ऐसा पकड़ता हूँ मैं.
ऐसा क्यों पकड़ रहा है तू?
Oh, that's how you joke. Heard you. ऐसा पकड़ के.
That's yours. Jerk you off. My fucking roommate.
Get that hand
Oh
down
yeah,
there,
they're
baby.
roommates,
Get
bro.
shit.
These two.
Roommate. Dude.
How has it been now? Has the dynamic changed at all?
I think he's mad at me, dude.
He's mad at me all the time.
So what?
Sorry, Krishna.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
This is the new thing.
It's over, bro.
It's over,
I don't
bro.
know, I
You've
don't
been
know how
Hey,
it
but
is.
they have, I'll tell you from what I've observed, they've become damn like cooperative and teamwork.
Yeah.
Like suddenly you was like, chal stui. And they have some task to do. They don't say what their task is, but they've probably discussed it before.
Yeah.
So it's like, chal stui. They both get up and go like sweep the floor.
You see how well orchestrated our whole routine is?
yeah. और वो रात को बस जाके सोते हैं. They're not in their rooms ever.
Yeah, no one's
most
in the
of the
room
time.
only. Everyone's chilling on that one beanbag that
मैं
we have.
जाता हूँ bro बीच में room में like I get pissed off.
Why?
झगड़ा करके I go and I watch WWE in my room to calm down. That day though Anish and I got into a fight,
Oh
bro,
God,
like
man.
properly.
What do you mean that
That day, bro, it's every day.
At least
हाँ,
They all
once a
keep
day.
fighting with each other. Dude.
नहीं, अरे bro, we got into something. Then I was like, okay, bro, you do whatever the fuck you want. And I walked up to my room, and then I was like, damn petty.
Tell him the petty thing you fucking did, bro.
भाई तो मेरे को भूख लगी. I was like,
It was dinner time, basically.
Yeah, dinner
when he
time
fought.
around. It became 9:30,
I
10.
messaged you, bro.
Yeah.
I messaged you. I'm like, bro, you coming down for dinner?
I was like, nah, I'm good.
He's like, I'm good.
Fucking
तो I
best
fucking
asking
ordered
audience.
dinner, ठीक है? I ordered.
तेरा
and-
खुद का तू अकेला ऑर्डर किया.
हाँ हाँ. और मैं ऊपर था ना. Our house has 2 floors, by the way.
Colonel flexing the richness, the wealth.
I was upstairs, and then the address that was saved was like नीचे का.
Hmm.
So I had to go and change the address to upstairs so that I don't have to come down to see anyone to pick up the food. And then I ate the food. I got very thirsty, and there was no water upstairs. So I went on the fucking app to order mineral water
क्या बात
so that
कर
I
रहा
don't
है?
have to go down.
ये-
But my phone was on
Guy, bro.
4%, bro.
It's too much, dude.
Yeah.
Hi,
But
when I-
4% your phone would have
इतना-
survived, bro.
इतना क्या झगड़ा कर
हाँ,
रहा
but
पानी
for how
order
long?
करने वाला था, bro.
Why you-
Fucking.
What was the fight about?
But you know the
Let's-
best part is I didn't even realize that he had a fight with Anish.
Ha, bro. So that pissed me off.
I was
Then
just like,
I
what
was
is
up
going-
for a while, bro. Like I watched one whole Monday Night Raw, like from beginning.
That's
You
like
watched
2
2
hours.
hours of it.
Beach mein I was switching to football. Also, some league was going on. I was like, I'll watch it. Then I came out of the room. And I heard everyone's still laughing, everyone's chilling. I was like, fuck bro,
Fuck
like
these
no
guys.
one's even concerned ki
No one
boy,
even felt it.
he just left like that, he's not come back. Then I was like, okay, I'll give it more time. Then these guys so started playing like cricket and all at home. Like I've never heard the house be so happy for those 2 hours that I was gone. Then I was like, Arey yaar.
Bro.
Then Anish went to sleep. So
Then Amin came
then
down.
I came down and hung out.
तू भी खेला क्रिकेट.
Waited for him.
नहीं फिर लेट हो गया था.
He missed,
just
he
didn't want
missed
to
it.
play with you.
Yeah. Then the next day I woke up, I was like, bro, what the fuck? And Anish was like texting me, He's like, bro, I was literally just trying to talk to you. There
my
was no
God,
reason
bro.
for you to leave.
They sound
that.
like a couple.
They are a
That's what
couple,
we say,
bro.
bro. पति पत्नी है हमारे घर के भाई.
I said it reminds me of home.
रोज सुबह झगड़ा.
It's home.
It's home. It's like he never left.
It's like I never left.
Back with the divorce jokes. But what else has been going
Bro,
on? Like,
it's also, can I just say, setting up a house is not easy. Like,
no, bro.
it's been
This is the first time you all have
first time all of us have moved
been
out,
on
Yeah,
the-
any of us.
and not easy, dude.
But theek hai, bro. You move into a house, you have to set up the kitchen, you clean the bathrooms, you set up your living room, and you have your room.
Yeah.
That's what moving into
That's
a house
bare
is,
minimum. Yeah.
right? But we've moved into this, never lived alone, nothing, and this house is like, bro. When someone rings the bell, we want to get to the bell. Like it rings for a while, bro.
Yeah.
Like
It rings forever. The
even
bell
if you're
doesn't stop.
sitting in the living room, like it, walking distance is a lot, and
15 seconds at least.
none of us is used to it. So like even sweeping the floor is just so much work. Like kamar toot jata hai bhai. So that day we had to clean this room, and I was like, bro, this is like I can't do 2 hours of this. So I started playing like dance music in the room, and Suvya and I to started singing along.
What was the playlist?
Some
sound?
Afrobeat.
It was
Fuck,
Afrobeat.
that was a long
Lyrics तो कुछ मेरे को
Afrobeat.
आता नहीं था, so I started making up shit. Then we were like, okay, if we want to like actually put in the work, we have to make it fun in some way. Otherwise, it's not sustainable at all. नहीं करना है भाई मेरे को काम इतना, but करना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right for a rude awakening. अभी सब लोग घिसने वाले.
How long have you been living alone for?
2.5, 3 years now.
Fuck.
No, not that long.
Yeah, 2.5 years.
That's good. That's like pretty experience. How long you've moved houses twice, I think.
Yeah.
How long does it take to set up a house for you?
So in the beginning, I think for guys, like at least for me, it wasn't necessary for me to have a fully furnished.
This is the
Place.
gendered thing now.
I think so. I think so. Because those memes and all are there now. Living room में खाली एक TV है और एक ऐसा stool है बीच में.
Beanbag. Yeah.
So it was kind of like that for a while.
Do you want to go out and look at one?
It's literally the same thing without the TV.
Without the TV, exactly.
Yeah, there's no TV.
We just
also.
have 2 beanbags.
We take turns on who sits.
I think it just comes with time, right? Like getting used to certain things, like cleaning the dishes and
Yeah.
like वो तो वैसे भी I used to do at my like sometimes. But
Bro, and like running a house is expensive, dude.
हाँ भाई बहुत पैसे जाते हैं.
और हम तो
Fucking-
we are to all what 7 people living here, and everyone has an appetite, bro. Here, and we've been
सबको
working
खाए हैं.
also. We've been working also, so we get like tired and hungry.
Yeah.
So like, bro, each meal is like 1.5, 2 kilos of chicken for lunch.
Chicken पेल रहे बच्चे लोग इधर.
भाई दिन में एक लीटर दही खत्म हो रहा है. Like we get a bucket, it gets over at night.
There's 1 dozen of bananas finished in a day. Easy.
1 dozen bananas.
Bro,
Yeah.
it's imagine 7 people, bro. That's
भाई यहाँ
less
पे
than 2 per
आके
head.
मेरे को
Too much
मिल्क शेक पीने का है भाई.
Fucking come here in this hot
जाता है
humid
भाई
ass city.
banana, जाता है भाई banana. Like my demands have just gone up.
Yeah. The number of shits in this house.
Hey, at least you all have your own bathrooms. So that's a big
That is,
privilege.
yeah.
Dude, fucking
I
hell,
take a
some
shit
girls-
in Anisha's bathroom.
And after he doesn't flush.
You leave them floaters.
Yeah, it's like
You ever like
There's-
take like a really huge shit and then you look at it and you're so proud. Like, fuck, that came from me, dude.
There's this house group, bro.
I feel like one of those snakes who has eaten a reindeer or something.
Have you seen that video of that snake who has swallowed this grandma?
Yeah, the grandma, 90-year-old woman.
You can
In
see
a
her
python.
and her cane, bro.
Yeah.
Both inside the snake.
Swallowed her
He
whole,
didn't
bro.
chew he didn't spit the seeds out, bro. He just had it.
He had a hole.
Oh, imagine finding your grandmom inside a snake.
That's wild.
अरे नानी आज नीचे नहीं आ रही है डिनर के लिए.
He's not gone for a walk today.
Nani is the dinner today.
Nani, there's no dinner.
Nani is the dinner. Nice, Zora. Why? What were you saying?
No, I was gonna tell Krishna about our house group. and now it's just photos.
Yeah.
So,
Of crimes, bro.
Yeah,
of
they are crimes,
hate
they are
crimes.
Just crime scene.
Yeah.
and there's only one detective in the whole house. So
One
anytime,
culprit, bro. One culprit.
one detective, one culprit. So every time, bro. So there'll be one photo on the group. You're out somewhere, you're chilling, having a good time. You see your phone. There's a photo of the AC will be on. There's no one in the room. Photo sent by Anish, and the thing will
Room
say,
is Amin's on.
the message will say, guys, AC is on. No one's in the room. After 2 minutes, Piyush, who's one of the editors, puts up. Oops. This has happened at least 5 times. Where Anish
And
is-
y'all are like just
Bro,
spectating.
he admits the second, like right when the message comes, Piyush admits, bro. Aisa like he doesn't. Oh, मान लेता है गलती. But it's like,
it's the same. It's the same. It's something. Every time
and
you
then
have
you
a new
can't say
crime.
anything, bro. Well, if someone's like, "Arey yaar, fuck it now, it's okay. Who cares this much?" But he is like, "Oh, I'm sorry." What do you say after that?
Bro, like at least he's owning up to his.
Yeah. I saw one
Shortcomings.
random spoon, bro, somewhere
Spoon lying on some counter.
with peanut butter है उस पे. I'm thinking. I think, bro, after a point, no one's like, हाँ भाई, भेज the photo. Who gives a fuck? But I feel like we should add some like really attractive women on that group.
Then everyone will behave themselves.
हाँ.
I turned off my auto download, bro. After that group, my whole gallery was just photos of
Photos
the
of
house.
spoons.
But what if
The house
it's
randomly.
but what if it's you who's fucked up?
It's okay. We never. I
उसको
won't
पता
never
भी नहीं
know.
चलेगा,
I'll never know.
Denial में जीता है तू.
The rest of y'all are like jury duty to just watching this unfold every time.
Yeah. One day, though, I had a meltdown.
You sent a photo out.
I sent 3 photos.
Damn.
I woke up in the morning and the kitchen was kind of wrecked.
Hmm.
So, like, the trash wasn't taken out. And then I got emotional about it. I was like, one day I go to sleep early.
Yeah.
No one takes the trash out. Spoons are lying around. Dishes haven't been done. Khana pada hai bahar. And then I was like, what did I say? I said, you guys really need to grow up and stop living like pigs. Otherwise, we're going to have problems.
Yeah, I mean, we're really
Now,
fucked
Why
up
don't
us
y'all
that
just
day.
go to them and say कि ऐसा हुआ है?
Bro,
We're
Because you
always
don't know who's
together
done it. There are like 30
And you don't know
people.
who's where, bro. Like, because we all live together, people are segregated and everyone wants space every once in a while. Except Prashant and Piyush, they're always together.
They both pull off all-nighters together.
Yeah.
They're
When
just
we're asleep.
they're just one
they,
unit.
They come to life, bro, these two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Toy Story. Andy goes out. उनके पैर में लिखूंगा मैं अभी untriggered. But have you guys heard? Did you guys hear about that submarine?
So that was the worst
No segue.
segue.
No segue. Raw, bro.
What submarine?
You don't know about the submarine?
You don't know about.
I don't know. I don't know much. I saw some sort of headline, but I didn't like go.
Bro,
look
Bro,
at
it's
so
all
the-
over the news.
There was this submarine who went to like look at Titanic wreckage and everything, and the ticket was for some
$250,000.
$250,000.
Fuck.
And they like got in the submarine and went to look at Titanic and all the remains.
Mm.
5 log gaye. They went and they obviously got fucked up because you went somewhere where a ship got wrecked, bro.
Yeah.
Chances are,
You're gonna get wrecked.
yeah, there was like ice around and like it was pura. Then they just went down and they kept going deep and their oxygen supply was running out. So
No.
they were stuck there for like 2-3 days.
No.
What?
So basically, this submarine was carrying like 6 rich motherfuckers. $250,000 a
Yeah.
ticket is
Is a lot.
crazy.
5
so then,
people were there.
5. So then these guys were in the submarine, which was supposed to go take them and show them the whole wreckage.
Mm.
And it's like it lost control, like it lost communication with its parent ship.
Mm.
And then after it's just been missing since. And they had
No,
like
they
some,
found the debris.
that's what they claim.
Found the
No,
wreckage.
it imploded,
fuck,
bro.
matlab wo-
It
So-
imploded.
So at that niche, that pressure is so high that most probably imploded.
Yeah.
So they only had some, how much, 72 hours or something like
up,
that
man.
of oxygen in that tank. And there were like 5 people.
Dude,
Yeah.
you paid that amount to go and
To just
kill
go
yourself.
and
And
die,
die,
in the
bro. You
fucking
just got
ocean.
added to the number of Titanic people. murdered.
उसपे भी asterisk लगेगा, bro.
हाँ.
Yeah, actually.
They came to see that shit.
Yeah. It's so
wild.
The bottom of
Why
the
do
fucking
why would you
ocean,
even want to
bro.
go? Why is that a site that you?
अरे
want to
भाई
see?
लोग करते हैं ऐसा, like even skydiving bro,
Hmm.
like why would you do it?
वो थोड़ा adrenaline तो है उसमें.
इसमें
Here
भी तो
what-
है bro,
पर
you're
इसमें
going
तो
to
है
the bottom of
what
the
you're-
ocean.
हाँ, yeah, that's
Risk भी
The
उतना ही
bottom
है
of the
bro.
ocean is so
yeah, yeah.
dark.
The ocean, like really deep waters scare me, dude. Like I don't mind going into space, being launched into space, but then fucking being
भाई एक
really
पॉइंट के
deep
बाद तो
underwater
लाइट
scare
भी
me.
नहीं आता है, मतलब the
Yeah,
sunlight
yeah,
doesn't
it's just
reach,
darkness, dude.
so it's just dark, pitch black. What are you doing then?
I'm shitting my pants, bro.
Yeah.
But if
I
you had
can't-
the
I'm
money,
not
you wouldn't do
surviving.
this.
No, bro. What?
भाई
What is wrong with you?
$250,000 के साथ तू क्या करेगा, like on
But
land?
for them, it doesn't matter, no, that money.
Change.
For them, it's like 2,500, let's say.
For them, it's just something to say, oh, we went and looked at,
Yeah.
we rented a submarine and went and looked at Titanic.
They'll never get to say that, but
Good YouTube title.
It's a cool thing to say. It's
I
a Mr.
saw-
Beast title.
Yeah.
I was on YouTube and I saw Piers Morgan had uploaded some video talking to someone, and this person was crying on the thing. I didn't know that all this had happened.
He was crying for what? Like
I don't
a
know. I think
family
he's
member?
someone. Must have been a family member or something.
They were crying that their family member is so stupid to rent out a submarine. I didn't even think submarines were real, bro. I thought it's just like a cartoon thing. That happens.
What?
You haven't heard of the Navy and, the...
wait till he hears about it.
Navy में उनके पास submarine है. I thought it's just ships. Like battleships.
Battleships.
Yeah.
I think you're...
Like वो वहाँ से cannon निकलता है side से. And then there's someone with an eye patch on top.
I mean,
That's the command.
understanding of travel on the ocean has come from
It's from
Pirates of the
Captain Jack
Caribbean.
Sparrow.
If anyone misbehaves, they have to walk that log.
वो जहाँ से कूदना पड़ता है ना
हाँ.
फिर.
Bro, उसका second part crazy है वो picture का. With Davy Jones. He's a fucking squid man.
Oh yeah, the
That's
makeup
sick.
is
That's sick. Whoever
makeup is insane.
That was wild, bro.
Yeah,
That
bro.
was creepy.
that was too
Movies
creepy.
are like coming back now. What do you think? Like there's some cool.
Yeah, the Spidey, the Spider-Man movie. You guys watched it and fucking
Oof.
loved it, dude.
Dude, मजा आया.
It was fun.
मैं तो देखता भी नहीं हूँ like
हाँ, मैं भी
superhero
नहीं
movies. But that Spider-Man movie, shout out to Zed, bro. He took us.
He
He
paid
took it
for
all, yeah.
full recliner
Yeah, I'm
seats.
pretty
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
he wouldn't have gone. if-
भाई but वो recliner seat के बाद once you sit there ना, you can't go back to a normal.
So now you'll only watch in recliner.
Yeah. $1,000 bro. Like what? 700, 800, 900 around that range. But how often do you go watch movies anyway?
Yeah. 700 is okay, dude. I thought it'd be a lot more.
It's around that much.
That's
Right.
not
वहाँ पे-
expensive, bro. What is wrong with
Bro.
you?
Nowadays tickets anyway base price around 400, 500 rupees.
That
Those are-
expensive.
And there's like only 20 people in the theater.
Damn.
हाँ.
20, around 20
अच्छा
people.
सारे chair वो recliner
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
Okay.
And it's like a small theater. You get to recline, you get to lie down, whatever. You can order food. And food is like fancy, bro. They have like sushi and pizza. And they have like proper meals. Like
Treat you like
butter
kings,
chicken
bro,
with
in that
rice and all.
recliner.
Fuck butter chicken with rice theater.
Yeah, sab hai, bro. And when you get a pizza, it's not like a theater pizza. It's like a gourmet. Chef ne banaya hai wo andar. There is like a lounge where you can chill before the movie, and during the interval there's a pool table there, bro.
I feel like going for a
Shit must be
movie
too
now.
expensive, bro.
And the theater has a bathroom inside it.
So you don't have to go all the way outside, piss, and then
fuck?
come back.
Why
Yeah.
aren't
Imagine
we-
someone taking an explosive dump. Can you hear that shit then?
No, but some dude was snoring. He fell asleep during the movie.
तो recliner पे सो गया
हाँ. So गया भाई, and he was snoring like loudly. तो climax के time पे ऐसा, there's one scene where it goes like quiet. And that goes.
चादर लेके जाएंगे bro अपन.
Everyone just died laughing, like people who were sitting there. पूरा serious scene.
Did that wake him up?
No, he
He
was
slept
still
through that
snoring.
As long as there was no
Yes.
clapping during the movie, bro.
Bhai, over there could
people-
be some clapping.
There should be some clapping.
How much room is there to fucking
Clap.
To clap?
maneuver?
भाई
or-
तो दो लोग का साथ में रहता है.
Can
Whoa,
two people
Wait,
book one
what?
sofa?
Then
No.
That's what he's saying, no?
Why not?
Why would you do
Why
that?
would two can't book
Want
one,
to
bro?
go like on a date?
So
हाँ,
you book two, na?
You book two seats and they're next to each other, like they're connected.
No, I was saying. Anyway, since it's such a big sofa, shouldn't they like allow two people to share one thing?
It's not such a big.
अरे
मतलब
लोग
she
सो
can
रहे
sit on
हो
your
यार.
lap.
हाँ.
Sit
So-
somewhere.
Then
You
you
still
can
have to
clap.
book two though.
अच्छा
Can sit.
ऐसा तो क्या है bro, मैं I'll take a flight with Suvi. No, he'll sit on my lap. It's okay, we don't want.
feels like
We
a
don't
fair
want-
deal. I mean, you're ready to put yourself through that discomfort, or sometimes not
और
discomfort.
2 बुक करके फिर तू देखना तेरे को कहाँ बिठाना है क्या है
किसको किधर बिठाना है?
We started.
किस पे
How
बिठाना
are
है?
we talking about the seats at the theater when you brought up Spider-Man? The movie is pretty good, bro. It deserves some
Deserve some claps.
some discussion तो होना चाहिए मूवी के बारे में.
ये सुपर हीरो तो मैंने छोड़ ही दिया. आई थिंक आफ्टर एंड गेम I've not watched a super movie. Then this one came out and a lot of people told me that it's like you shouldn't miss it just for like how it's animated and the visuals.
Yeah,
तो फिर मैं पहली part I watched the first part on Netflix and then watched.
it's too good, bro. Like even
Yeah,
the storyline
it's
is amazing, and it's not like they went for a kids movie.
हाँ.
They've gone for a proper like all ages movie. It's just animated. It happens to be animated. Like the references that they make, the meta stuff, beach mein like, and they've done like ad integrations, bro.
Yeah.
In the movie.
those are
Zomato
really
का
good.
देखा तू?
हाँ. Even there's a speaker one also if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, shoes, Nikes, like
really
Jordans are there.
Really really good.
पूरा इंडिया का एक segment भी है उसमें. Like where they are in
Mumbai.
India.
God damn.
Spoiler alert.
where which place?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbatan.
It's like Mumbai and
It's like a
Manhattan.
different dimension only. Yeah. so
Yeah.
Yeah, where
That bro, ये शुभमन गिल ने उसका
Yeah.
voice दिया है bro. ये पटेल क्या what's his name in the movie?
some
That Indian
Prabhakar
Spidey.
or something.
हाँ, Prabhakar.
Shubman Gill.
Fucking
Patel
hell,
is
bro.
where Prabhakar is.
What a-
Like some Pavitra Pravarkar,
something
like Peter
Prabhakar.
Parker.
हाँ.
Oh.
Something like that.
Really good, dude. I was so like shocked when I like learned that.
Yeah, but he did the stereotype wala accent, the Indian
Huh.
accent.
Did the Appu accent.
Yeah,
They
वैसा
could have-
accent किया
They
उसने.
could have kept.
Like,
भारी लगा पर मेरे
yeah.
को.
Spider-Man to the rescue, like that he was talking.
Oh, don't tell me.
Maybe not as bad.
Yeah.
हाँ, not that bad also.
But
Spider-Man is coming.
yeah, but like the Indian references that they used, like it was so apt to for the Western audience. Like there's this whole montage where he's talking about like it's so stupid when you guys say chai tea because it's just tea or like naan bread.
हाँ.
So it's they've done all of that.
Nice.
They've done their research.
Yeah. वो मजा आया
मेरे
वो.
को थोड़े scenes बहुत ऐसे heavy लगे bro, like visually, because there's so much happening and this animation is just in your face all the time.
Yeah, bro. If
Especially
you're
those comic book scenes where the background suddenly turns to a comic book page.
yeah,
it's
if you go there like on something, so it's like it's a treat.
Yeah, it was a treat. It was too good.
Yeah, even this like new that Ranbir Kapoor movie that's coming out, like visually it look
crazy, yeah.
kind of
Animal.
wild, bro. It's called Animal, and it's like really violent, like Kill Bill type.
Yeah.
God damn.
He's just slashing
Some
people. with an
Tarantino
Yeah, he's like
stuff,
axing
huh?
people and all.
But it's only him. Like he's the lead.
Yeah.
He's the
Only the only character.
I think
I
that
mean, वो
he's the
teaser
main.
में उतना ही दिख
Teaser
रहा है,
में
वो
तुम
सबकी
लोग-
गांड मार रहा है सिर्फ.
Yeah, it's proper like India में ऐसा कम बनाते हैं where the movie is
Yeah.
like really violent and there's a lot of
Bloodshed.
थोड़ा
blood.
ऐसा John Wick vibe आया मेरे को.
Yeah,
ना?
Yeah.
The way they've kind of done it.
उसको फिर अभी adult बनाएंगे ना? I think.
Yeah.
They obviously should
mean,
if
most-
there's so much bloodshedding.
Most films are.
I think he did it because Alia's doing a movie with Ranveer again.
He just got pissed.
He got pissed.
Shut up,
Yeah.
bro.
That was
Beat
real
some
footage,
people
bro,
up
that
now,
they
dude.
recorded of him going and killing people.
Do you guys like Ranveer and Alia together?
I like
Ranveer
Ranveer
or
and I
Ranbir?
like Alia. I don't
Ranveer
know.
Singh.
Like
Veer.
as an on-screen couple, of course.
I don't know.
Yeah.
वो अभी पिक्चर देखने के बाद ही पता
गली बॉय
चलेगा.
में तो अच्छे थे.
मैं नहीं देखा है गली बॉय.
मैं भी नहीं देखा.
Oh, you just saw pictures. I mean, that movie was good. I think they
Yeah,
were,
it was a decent
their
movie. They make a
on-screen
good couple.
chemistry is pretty good. Yeah.
क्योंकि ये नए वाले में it's like a proper Shahrukh Kajol type
Yeah.
scene. It looks like.
Yeah. It
it's a
irks me.
family
Bro. It
vibe,
irks me a
yeah.
little bit.
What?
Like it's like your Shah Rukh Khan. You put Shah Rukh Khan.
Some bootleg Shahrukh
Yeah,
Khan.
you put that guy, and all the shots are also the same.
I mean,
it
you gotta
didn't fit.
give
It didn't fit.
credit to Ranveer. He's good,
Exactly, bro.
Like,
Yeah,
he's
but
good.
you can't do that.
They've
you can't
kind of
fill
like
Shah
styled him
Rukh's boots.
the way you'd see a Shah Rukh Khan film.
हाँ वो बाल उड़ रहा है.
बाल
It's
उड़ रहे
very
हैं,
even all those
neck, bro,
those
he's-
angles that
Yeah.
He's doing
doing
the.
the song.
What?
Does he do that?
Does he do that? I don't think he'll do that.
नहीं, वो that's a bit much. That
He's
even
not
they
gonna
would
do
have-
this.
can
I
do
think
it.
I saw something. Maybe I might be wrong.
You might
I'm
be
always wrong.
hallucinating.
Might be
करण जौहर
misinformation.
बना रहा है तो मतलब he's
He'll be
gonna make
aware.
it
Yeah.
grand. ऐसा पिक्चर बहुत टाइम में नहीं बनाया
हाँ, उसने ज्यादा बनाया नहीं ना पिक्चर करण जौहर ने.
What
He-
nonsense.
After a while
bro.
he's making a film. When was the last movie he made?
Yeah, like ऐसा properly a
Properly
Karan
he's
Johar-esque movie.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's been a while.
Last one was what? Kank.
Kank.
No, bro,
Kabhi
that was
Alvida
like
Na Kehna.
10 years ago.
Gank.
That's what it's called, bro.
Kank. I was wondering if some new movie has come. Kank.
Oh, My Name is Khan. But that's not like
But
a
he's not
Bollywood.
directed that movie.
No?
No.
I
He's-
think he
It's
has.
his production, if I'm not wrong.
Who's directed it?
Someone else has.
यार अभी वापस misinformation.
Bro,
वापस अभी
number one
comment में गाली आ रहा है.
India's
number
biggest
one misinformation podcast.
I think that is a proper fact.
Yeah, so that is not a misinformed
Yes.
report,
What?
bro.
That we
That
are
we
the
find.
most
Okay, that is the
misinformed.
only right thing we've
That's
said.
only accurate.
I love how it pisses people off, dude.
Bro, it pisses them off
As if
to
they're
another
coming for
extent.
information.
भाई मैं एक point पे I was thinking कि maybe we should do more research. But like why would you fix something that's not broken?
Yeah. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
I am broke, bro. Not gonna lie. After the
The move.
yeah, bro. Like I haven't seen money like that being spent in my life.
Hmm.
I haven't seen someone spend that kind of money, bro, ever.
You have now.
Now I have. It was crazy. It was crazy.
Still being spent.
Nothing's coming in right now.
ये AC चल रहा है ना अभी.
इसको मार के देख पटका मारेगा.
You can just see our numbers like rolling down in one of these.
I don't like boasting about all this shit. Like, oh, I spent this much money and all.
हाँ, इसमें
So I won't do it. But on the members only, we'll tell you.
We'll give you a
we'll tell
breakdown.
you how we've been spending money and what we've been doing. Because
yeah.
like they deserve to know, bro. They,
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like family.
members only people have right to information.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right to a lot of other things also.
Lot of other things.
A lot of other things which
A
they
lot
will
of- a lot of tiny things.
they will get to
I'm
know of
not-
all of this only on the members episode.
Why?
ठीक है.
अभी ये तो हम reveal वो तो Zaid ने reveal कर दिया, bro. He just
Yeah.
said it
Yeah.
in his video.
Yeah. But he never gave out.
Who did what or
Yeah.
But
How?
yeah, I mean, people put two and two together.
I think we need to clap back. हमें कुछ करना चाहिए.
Yeah, definitely.
You
We
will
are
decide.
doing something, bro. It's already. We already spoke about it last night.
what?
It's in the works.
What are you talking
क्या
about?
तू डिस करेगा क्या उसको?
Something's coming. Yeah. He's not ready for this.
तू जैद को डिस करने वाला है?
I'm not going to say anything. अभी members. अभी
Only
members.
members. ठीक है.
Members को बताएंगे.
Yeah. Bro, since Spider-Man's been away in this, multi-universe, Lauda,
Multiverse.
his fucking girl has been two-timed, bro, by two dudes.
Oh,
Did you see
That
that?
was a very brilliant segue, bro. I'm proud of you for that.
You're talking about the Zendaya
Yeah.
teaser.
The Zendaya
story.
क्या
teaser.
trailer है वो, bro? You'll bring a fucking dead man back to life. man.
Well, you like that, or what?
Huh? नहीं, but it's so out of the blue.
Yeah.
Like Zendaya, you think of her as like Tom Holland's girl.
Yeah.
And then you see her.
I don't think.
No one thinks that way.
No, bro.
I
Even
haven't
Tom
denied
doesn't look at it
Everyone
that
in
way.
the comments is upset. It's like, Tom, come back. Spider-Man away from home.
You've been away from home for too long.
Dude, everyone's
bro.
upset.
See, I thought didn't like her as much from
Yeah,
before
yeah, I've not
anyway.
been a
Yeah,
big-
same.
Now it's just like, yeah,
She's too good now.
I like a modest girl, bro. I
Yeah,
like a
Conservative.
conservative,
Hmm.
like chill.
Yeah.
Hmm.
थोड़ा like wild उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? Like she's
She's an actor.
She knows what she's doing.
I
Like,
mean,
she's
yeah, this is but it's a pretty loose like hole there.
नहीं भाई,
Not that hole. I'm talking about
what do you mean? Would you like to elaborate?
like acting के नाम पे मतलब तुम कुछ भी करोगे क्या?
हाँ
Like that.
bro.
But
क्योंकि
movies-
It's a
वो
role,
तो
man.
artist
हाँ,
है ना.
वो करो आर्टिस्ट मतलब निभाओ तुम्हारा कलाकारी
किरदार.
वगैरह दिखाओ
दिखाओ तुम्हारा.
दिखाओ जो दिखाने का है लेकिन bro like there's some sort of somewhere I feel like there is everyone has their own opinions of like anything like life or whatever. So I'm assuming there's at least 5 people who are going to see that script and be like, okay, no, this is beyond what I'm ready to do for this role, and then it goes to like a
हाँ.
Yeah.
but abhi that percentage of people seems to be really less because you're just seeing more and
But
more
she'll
of
even be
this kind
getting
of
that much
wild
money
shit.
for it.
हाँ वो भी
It's
है.
not completely about the money. I feel like the way they go about it is they're artists and they think about it as a
As a
piece
project.
of art only.
हाँ.
Yeah, exactly.
This is a story, and in this story, this happens. I'm the character. I have to convince people that this
Yeah.
happened.
This is real.
But it's more fun to just assume shit and say, "Oh, how can she do it?" Abhi ye Ranveer or Alia bhi they're making out.
They were making out.
I mean, they were kind of close on the.
वो भी बहुत weird है यार.
Why,
Like,
bro?
This one is married to the other one.
The other one is married to this one.
But you have to understand that it's a fucking, it's
What?
a job. It's
Haan,
their
it's a
job,
job.
to do
हाँ,
this,
it's their
right?
job to get naked and make out with people and
Yeah.
touch each other's
Yeah,
breasts.
my concern is if you see, even if it's a part of the job, you can't fully convince yourself that it's only a role, whatever. Like, if you do make out with someone and you do happen to enjoy it,
That you wanted to have that.
if you
make
want
out
it to be
session.
convincing, so you have to enjoy it, no?
Yeah.
So then,
Sell it,
But
really
that's
sell
the
it.
that's the reason why they're actors, no?
Yeah, they sell it.
They sell it to us without enjoying it themselves.
but what if they enjoy? Like, there's always a chance.
There's only one way to find out.
Cast me.
Acting career, bro. Acting career.
So his acting arc.
This
And he
is
only
where it
does make
starts.
out scenes.
And Stewie's not gonna act.
There's no acting
He's
involved
not
there.
gonna act right, bro. Imran Hashmi is back.
This one who was a guest on the pod from Class. She's a coordinator, no? Like
Intimacy
a
coordinator.
intimacy coordinator. So
Yeah.
for
Really?
people where,
Who?
let's
Who?
say if you're not
Naina.
liking it,
Naina.
Naina. If for people who are not liking it, like she's there to make sure, अरे वो थोड़ा
Don't do this, do
ऐसा
this
कर,
instead.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
or
We'll
like
ensure she
or
isn't hired.
Make them feel some sort of a comfort within the job.
क्या?
What is it?
I said we'll ensure she isn't hired for the movies we do.
So Stewie gets to do whatever he wants.
ऐसा करना है क्या? ऐसा करना है क्या?
नहीं मेरे को पता है.
Did you bet?
Stewie's gonna mansplain, bro.
This is my best move.
This is my best move. Starts hitting the helicopter, bro. they're doing some sensual love scene. Suhi ऐसा round जा रहा है.
Spinning in the air.
What's a helicopter?
No, the helicopter.
Yugo doesn't know the helicopter.
You lie
Show
down on
it
the
to him,
girl and
Yugo.
start spinning.
Cock out.
No, like you're a stick and you're inside, but you're spinning.
You are just spinning, dude, for no reason. I don't know what pleasure that gives.
A tough position to be in.
Yeah, it's like that mortal and pestle.
Yeah, I don't
You're a
think so,
fidget
yeah.
spinner.
Yeah. Yeah.
human fidget spinner.
वैसा तू करते करते उड़ने लगेगा तो.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, bro, this is kind
This
of.
is fun, dude.
Yeah, I
miss
miss this, dude. What the
Or
hell?
talking.
Yeah, just
Talking to each other.
You missed podding.
No, but I miss like chatting with you all also. Thoda.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna keep doing this now. We're gonna have like guests. Guests are back, bro. It's been
God
like
damn.
Been a
while since we've done guests. We're trying.
Do we have any idea who our guests
How many
are?
guests have you done?
I have an idea, and it's gonna be crazy. Like the kind of people who are going to be on this. It's just like I'm getting a boner thinking about it. So I'm adjusting
About
it.
the
right
next
now.
one.
All of them, bro. Like
Are you like I'm going slightly sentimental route here.
this guy
but
just gaze it up.
Are
bro,
you-
every
I
time.
swear, bro.
come on,
Go
dude,
on then.
sometimes
Go
it's
on then.
important. Thank you. I was gonna ask if you're like if there's a feeling of like pride right now or there's more drive. Ki,
Both,
okay,
bro.
now I've gone.
Both. Like proud though, of course. Why wouldn't I be proud? Like look around you.
Yeah.
Wake up, bro.
मेरे आँख ऐसे बंद हो रहे हैं actually.
Wake up, mister.
Fucking smacked me.
Yeah, bro. But like now I know that there is a dedicated workspace and like I know this is अभी इसके बाद तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना इतना. I can't just get up and quit now.
Yeah.
So like that is good. I know I'm not sitting in my dining room anymore and there's an AC.
अरे भाई AC.
Oh, yeah,
dude.
I'm not used to it yet.
People
गर्मी
who
में
don't
बैठ के
know,
करते थे भाई.
Yeah.
people who don't know, we used to switch off the fans. We
Yeah.
used to be sweating our
आवाज
balls.
आता था.
I used
And
to
we-
dampen Amin's chair, bro.
I remember.
the
People
chairs
eat
would get
lunch on
wet.
that.
Chairs would get wet.
It was crazy.
God damn. We have ACs now.
We have ACs. I get to live with my best friends and Prashant and Piyush
And Anish.
and Anish. That's pretty good, bro. Now you should also move in.
Yeah, I think it's time. I think it's time.
Immediately, or
Yeah,
just call my
Tomorrow.
mom.
Call your boss and say, done.
I ain't never coming back.
Block. Every episode he's wearing the same kurta.
You guys have anything to say?
I think it's. I don't want to get too emotional because there's a lot of work ahead. But I will get emotional. It's fuck. कैसे बताऊँ मैं?
कैसे बताएं?
I'm
you tell
grateful,
me to
bro.
shut
I'm
up?
really grateful. I'm really grateful. Looking forward to all the stuff that's gonna come out of this house. Stuff that's gonna come into this house also.
Stuff in the house that I'm gonna come into.
Yeah, I think we'll leave it at that.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Leave it in
Pull out,
there.
bro. Don't leave it. Sorry. Bad.
Yeah, no.
You?
God, I was distracted with the bell. But
The
yeah,
bell is a bitch.
I swear, bro, that bell is very irritating.
Or do bell.
That's
But I mean,
Not bad.
not bad. Yeah.
not bad. Yeah, look around.
Look
Sure.
around. We've
we-
got one plaque sitting over
yeah,
there. Do you want to show that?
We've got the
Handi.
pack.
मैं actually already मेरे story पे डाल दिया है.
Handi
plaque.
cake.
God damn.
Yeah, we got this for 100 subscribers. No
Bangor
big deal.
100 subscribers.
100k subscribers, no big deal. And
It's
yeah,
1
bro.
lakh people, man.
That's crazy, bro. Think of the number of people in one venue. 1 lakh, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I think we should.
We should go make a milkshake.
Yeah.
Banana milkshake.
Banana milkshake and cut to members. Members where we're gonna be talking about all the behind the scenes stuff that happened in the house and some like scandals that have already
Some
happened.
scandalous behavior.
Really private stuff. So become a member, join, and you
Yeah.
get 4 scandalous episodes every month.
And you might
Scandalous.
just get something more.
Yeah.
Cut.